Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks reveals disappointing specs. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design could see a huge overhaul, the same can't be said of its battery. According to noted tipster Ice Universe, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 5000 mAh capacity battery and 45W wired charging speed. If those specs sound familiar, that's because they're identical to those offered on every Samsung flagship since the debut of the Galaxy S20 Ultra in 2020. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design could see a huge overhaul, the same can't be said of its battery. According to noted tipster Ice Universe, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 5000 mAh capacity battery and 45W wired charging speed. If those specs sound familiar, that's because they're identical to those offered on every Samsung flagship since the debut of the Galaxy S20 Ultra in 2020. In other words, you can expect the average battery life of next year's model to be about the same as the current one. That's not to say battery life hasn't gotten better over the past 4 generations, as improved chips from Qualcomm have extended battery life by a fair amount, going from around 12 hours on a single charge with the S20 Ultra to nearly 17 hours with the most recent Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung phones are known for their excellent battery life, and the charging speed of 45W remains competitive as well. But for Samsung's premium offering, which comes at an equally premium price, it's a little disappointing to see the Ultra's battery go so long without an upgrade. It also gives competitors a window to eke out ahead. Comparable-sized devices like the Google Pixel 8 Pro feature a 5050 mAh battery, a small upgrade from the Pixel 7 Pro's 5000 mAh battery, but an upgrade nonetheless. While the Asus ROG Phone 8 packs a whopping 5500 mAh battery. The latter managed to last almost 19 hours in our testing. The Ultra's battery size set it apart when it first debuted on the Galaxy S20, but it's far from the only kid on the block these days. Rumor has it Samsung is concentrating on revamping the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera setup and design to convince buyers to upgrade. The biggest might be the quad-lens rear camera system, which could feature a 200MP primary camera, a 50MP super telephoto camera, a secondary 50MP telephoto camera, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera. Meanwhile, it could adopt a more rounded, thinner design similar to that of the Galaxy Note 7. Of course, all this should be taken with a grain of salt until Samsung unveils what it has planned for the Galaxy S25 series, which will likely be sometime in early 2025. In the meantime, keep an eye on our Galaxy S25 Ultra Hub, which we update with all the news and rumors as they surface. What do you think? Will the design and camera improvements be enough to outweigh the lack of battery upgrade for you? Hope you liked and subscribed to this